Greetings and welcome to the 4th Annual Standard Bank SME Summit. This is done in partnership with Business Day TV, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, SysDBA and CEDA.
All I want to leave you with is solve a problem, provide a service.
It therefore makes it a no-brainer that it's crucial that we focus on helping SMEs grow in our country.
Because of the changing environment, because there's no growth in the economy, because everyone's rands are stretching further, because we're under such pressure, problems are changing, and if I can spot that problem and put my hand up to say, I can solve that problem, that's the beginning of finding a business that is differentiated in a very, very competitive space.
So how can SMEs have a competitive advantage over these big established organizations and firms within these spaces?
You know, in my view, technology levels the playing field.
All of a sudden, for 100 Rand a day or 50 Rand a day, you can place an ad either on Facebook or Google, say exactly who your customer is, and outcompete a global organization.
The vast majority of the market remains underserved. It's really much more about knowing that you can use technology to create a business and a product that can serve an audience that big business hasn't actually served yet.
The click of a button and a little bit of money, you can access a massive audience.
There's so many resources available to you now to become an expert in whatever you want to do.
What in your view is the most important thing to know when you are marketing or calling customers to your business?
You have to develop what that brand is all about. Working out what makes you special, what makes you different, what makes you stand out, how do you look? And all these very important marketing fundamentals are often missed, and we're jumping into action.
The biggest thing you need when you're building your own business is you need to get advocates. You need to get other people inside your business, outside your business, to fight battles on your behalf.
The biggest people who are going to grow this economy are in this room, small to medium enterprises. So how do we maximize? How do we grow? How do we get things done?
Anybody who's trying to start a business on their own, probably the best thing you can do is find a partner. So find somebody as soon as you can, and find somebody who's different from you.
And you need to make sure that when you're investing in building technology, you assemble the very best of the best.
So I think working with like-minded people who are equally motivated towards a common goal has been the best source of competitiveness for our business.